Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-Pack Screen Protector Plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your go-to source for all things electric vehicles. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about a car that's got everyone in the automotive world buzzing, the MG S5 EV. This stylish family SUV is not only practical but also affordable, making it an attractive option for many families on the road. Now, let's dive into what makes the MG S5 so compelling. With its impressive range of up to 298 miles and decent fast charging speeds, this car is perfect for those who want a hassle-free electric driving experience. The interior may not be lavish, but it's well-equipped, spacious, and comes with all the tech you need to keep your family entertained on the go. One of the standout features of the MG S5 is its unique design. With hints of MG's Super Cyberster sports car in the front lights, this car is sure to turn heads on the road. And while some might say it looks great in certain colors like Piccadilly Blue, we think it's the understated elegance that really sets it apart. On the road, the MG S5 is easygoing rather than exciting, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. With its comfortable ride and efficient performance, this car is perfect for daily driving. However, there are a few areas where the MG S5 falls short, like the slightly firm ride and sluggish infotainment system. But don't let those issues deter you from considering the MG S5. With its impressive range, generous equipment list, and affordable price tag, this car is an excellent choice for many families. And with a 7-year, 80,000-mile warranty covering battery and main mechanical components, you can have peace of mind knowing you're protected on the road. So, what's the verdict? Is the MG S5 EV worth its salt? In our opinion, yes. With its exceptional value for money, impressive range, and generous equipment list, this car is a must-consider for any family looking to switch to electric. Join us next time on ElectroDrive News as we explore more exciting developments in the world of electric vehicles. At ElectroDrive News, we're passionate about providing you with the latest news, reviews, and insights from the EV world. Whether you're a seasoned EV enthusiast or just starting your journey, we've got you covered. So, subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates and join the conversation using the hashtag ElectricVibes.